Who is Guru and who is God? This is wonderful question. God is your imagination about the ultimate energy. Guru is reality of that energy. God is your imagination about the universal consciousness, about the Parashakti, about the ultimate energy. Guru is the reality of the universal consciousness. So be very clear. This is an important subject. It has to be dealt in a deep and wonderful way. There is a sloka which says, if God and Guru appears at a time, I will bow down to Guru first, because he can show me the God again at any time. He can show me the God at any time. And I tell you, all your concept of God is not God. Please be very clear. There's a beautiful incident which I should narrate. Vivekananda says, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is an incarnation, God himself. One disciple, not a disciple, an onlooker. He questions, how can you say Ramakrishna is a God? You can say Ramakrishna is an enlightened, we will accept. You can't say he's a God. Then Vivekananda asks him, what do you know about God? Tell me. This person says, God. God means omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. What do you mean by the word omniscient? Omniscient, everywhere. What do you mean by the word everywhere? Everywhere means everywhere, full sky. Then beyond sky? Yes, beyond sky also. Then beyond that? Beyond that also. Everywhere means what? Tell Vivekananda catches him. Define the word everywhere, omnipotent. Oh, I don't know. No, this much only I know. That's all. Then Vivekananda says very clearly, the very idea omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent, all these things are just idea for you. It's not reality. Am I right? It's only idea for you. It's not reality. You don't know anything about God. Whatever you know about God is about God, not God himself. You know only about God, not God himself. So whatever you know about God is only your idea about God. Vivekananda says, so whatever you understand by the word God, Ramakrishna is much more than that. Much more than that. Vivekananda is the first person, courageous person to declare enlightened masters are something more than God. They are not equivalent to God, they are something more than God. Because all your concept of God, whatever you understand by the word God, is your idea about universal consciousness. Enlightened master is the reality of universal consciousness. So it is something more than what you know, what you think, what you understand by the word God. So, who is... yes.
But I thought God created, he's the creator of everything.
All right.
Even the Guru. How can the Guru be God?
Okay. What do you mean by the word creator? Tell me.
Manifested from the unmanifest.
Okay, then unmanifest is Guru, God?
Must be both. It's the same thing.
Okay, must be both.
He's unmanifest and manifest at the same time.
So both are God.
Unless he's removed from it and somehow it came from him. I don't know. I'm not supposed to know.
This you could have told from the beginning itself, Nama. From the beginning itself you could have told this, I don't know. So all your, that is what I mean. You don't know by the word God. What do you mean by the word God?
So we don't know because we don't have the experience of being enlightened.
Yes. That is
so. Okay, so are you God? Is your experience the experience of God?
Please be very clear. I think now I have to be very clear. I am something more, much more than what you understand by the word God. Ultimately, enlightened master is God. But whatever you know about God, He is much, much, much more than that. That's all.
Is God separate from you?
Not. But what you understand by the word God is not enough, adequate to understand me. If I say now, a small thing, one small story, one person suddenly goes and puts a defamation case in a court, saying, this fellow told me I am a dinosaur. The judge asked, when did he tell you that you are a dinosaur? 15 years ago. Then why are you coming to court now? The guy says, no, yesterday only I saw dinosaur. That is why I am coming to the court. Now, it is defaming me. If yesterday only I understood, it is defaming statement. That's why I came for defamation case. See, if I say I am God, it is defaming me. It is just defaming me. Because what you understand by the word God, you will start thinking, I am that. No, I am not that. Understand? If I say I am God, I am just making a statement which will defame me. If somebody says I am God, I have to put defamation case on them.